everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks. We hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out for the long haul. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. This is Zena. And today we have for you a Vine O unboxing. I love this lifestyle subscription for women. It is all about how to unwind, relax, and rejuvenate. And they fill this box up with all kinds of goodies and, yes, some bottles of wine. All right, let's dig in. I do have a code for you, of course, as always. And you will get 5 to 6 full-size products and 2 bottles of wine. And if you use my code HAPPY, you will get $15 off the regular price, which is $64.99. So that brings it down to $49.99. And the value of this box is more than $146. And what I love mostly about this box, because you probably watched me unbox it before, if you've been around, is that you can gift this box, right? And it is gift giving season. So if you're already subscribed, or if you are looking to subscribe, the joy of this box is that you can easily just log into your account and change the ship to address anytime you want. It's a quarterly subscription, so it comes 4 times a year. And if you would like to just change it for the holidays to go to a mom, your best friend, you can easily just change that ship to address and have the box go to them. It's so easy. So if you choose, you want 2 boxes for yourself, 2 boxes as gifts, easy peasy. All right, right on top of you'll see there's another little box there. That has all of your lifestyle goodies. All right, so as I mentioned, this one is a wine and lifestyle subscription, and it comes 4 times a year. This one is the winter box. So this theme is Oh Ho Ho box, and it says sit back, relax, and unwind. And this little pamphlet is going to tell us all about the fun things that come in this box. So excited. All right, let's do this. Right up front, I see something you can munch. And this is the Chunk Nibbles Crunchy Snack Mix. This is, it says, created from the magic of Grandma's recipe. These peppermint chunk nibbles are a delicious holiday spin on a nostalgic 3rd-generation family recipe. They're sweet and salty with a hint of mint to put you in the holiday spirit. These treats will have your hand wandering back to the bag looking for that next bite. The retail value of this is $3. Love it. It says crunchy snack mix. 280 calories per pouch. So that would be for this entire thing. And this is a 2-ounce package. All right. Next up, this is Spongel All-in-One Beauty Treatment. This is a body buff. And it says perfectly packaged and designed. Spongel's unique body wash infused buffers change instantly underwater as you squeeze from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk. The built-in body wash is infused with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver root to cleanse. Check this out. Scents will vary, and it says this is a Los Angeles-based company specializing in innovative delivery systems for personal care. And the founders are Elaine and Michael Pobofsky, and they developed the idea for an exfoliating sponge infused with body wash. It smells really good. This retail value is $16. You don't have to put your soap on your loofah. It's all done for you. How cool is that? Next up, love this. This is the Swig Cocktail Club mug. This retails for $34. Check that out. It says cold up to 9 hours, hot up to 3. And this is Swig's Life Stainless Steel Drinkware. Features triple insulated technology for premium temperature retention and has a non-slip silicone base. You guys can see that I was feeling that there. The hammer texture is a one-of-a-kind combination of an insulated stainless steel travel mug mixed with a feel of a cocktail mug. Hand wash only, don't microwave, made of stainless steel. And you could get, there's different designs you could get here. How cool is that? It's got some weight to it, and I like that it's got the sippy. So you don't have to worry about spilling it if you take it as a travel mug. Next, I saw jewelry. These are pretty. The Violet and Brooks red stud earrings. The retail value is $20. It says, "Oh, dazzling." These vibrant, versatile, and easy to wear earrings from Violet and Brooks are gold-plated brass hypoallergenic and made with lead-free posts, making them the perfect studs to wear every day. Inspired by the garnet gemstone, these oval red crystal studs will add a dash of color to any outfit this holiday season. Those are pretty. Okay, I still have more. Next up is a scarf. So this one is called the Cellini New York Winter Cozy Scarf. The retail is $25. I feel like these prices are not inflated at all. These feel probably in line with retail costs you would see in any store. I like this color for the winter. It says, "Stay warm and cozy while keeping your neck and face protected from the bitter cold of the winter with this plaid scarf from Cellini, New York." Not only is this scarf perfect for your winter wardrobe, but it remains light enough to wear during the spring and fall seasons. It is a nice lighter weight, but it's very, very soft. Yeah, it's cute. What do you think of that one? It's cute. All right, so that is all of my lifestyle items. Now, they do have wine. We talked about that, right? The custom wines are $24 each. You get 2 of them, and subscribers can choose your wine preference. So you can choose between 4 different clubs: white, red and white, or sweet. And they are California and South African wines. So let's see what I have here. I have a California Chardonnay. These are perfect for bringing to holiday parties, when you're going to visit friends and family, or if you're just relaxing at home. This one is a Tynes California Merlot. Many times I will give these out as gifts, and I do love always taking them when I go visit. And that's everything. What did you think? I love sharing this with you. I love the idea of being able to gift this box or keep it. So I think it's nice to keep a couple boxes, gift a couple boxes, and then you can surprise somebody with a really awesome collection. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I will put all the information down below for you in case you would like to give this box a try, or if you'd like to give it as a gift. Remember, if you use my code HAPPY, you'll get $15 off your first box. All right, hit that like. I hope you had fun. Hit that subscribe. Hang out for the long haul so I can keep creating videos for you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.